Good day in the home, I'm your host Will and Cloud and welcome back to Mazda 6. Now another DIY video. Not DIY but do it yourself. Yeah, do it yourself, DIY. Now what we're gonna do today is change this headlight. And we're gonna fix this. So basically I'll show you how to take the bumper off. This is the right side of the car. If you look at it is right now. So I have a new headlight, a new this. And some of you may be asking why I have a new headlight. Because this mechanism here that holds the headlight, let me show you the new one. This mechanism here, I had to glue it together. So basically it's held on by super glue. So I have a replacement headlight. As you can see, there is no glue, absolutely nothing. And I have a replacement this. And how you need to take off the bumper is here should be a screw, but here isn't obviously. Here is one, and here. These are just plus. You screw them out and they pop out. Now the screws for the headlight is here. You open the bonnet. You open the bonnet, here should be this kind of screw. As you can see, it's not a screw anymore, or actually even a hex. This was so rusted to the metal. Basically it went to shit. Basically you have to remove this grill piece. So it should be held here by a screw. This tab, this never had any tab. So you can see this went a little south and then this front will come off. And underneath, where is the splash pan? I think you can take off only this side, but let's see. For now, the tools you're gonna need is Phillips screwdriver. I have a normal screwdriver too, and a small tool set. Did you know the usual? 13 mil, 12, 11, 10. The biggest I think you need to have is 12, if I remember right. So first things first, let's pop all this off and remove this grill. Here should be a slot somewhere. There is the slot. If you see, right here is a slot, and if you push the slot up, like this, and wiggle it out, it comes off. Same on the other side. Spin it, there it is. There you go, and it comes up. With this, please. Now this thing, come up. This is old, and I need a replacement for all of them. So I'm looking already onto it to get full replacements for the pluses, what you see there on the bottom. And everything else. If your screwdriver doesn't work, remember you have always trim removal tools. I need this one. There you go. And now, if I'm correct, this is off. This should just... Okay, we're gonna leave the grill for now, because it's fighting. We don't wanna fight, so let's start undoing this. Go around. This is just an 8 mil, so don't lose them. So my close, and now this and that. As you can see, it's spinning inside. It's not coming out. I'll show you a trick how to get it out. This one, see, it's lightly spinning, but it should be coming out. So basically you'll get a trim removal tool behind. You just spray on it. But don't worry, you won't break it, see? It's not broken. So basically you can just get a trim removal tool behind it. You spray it side to side until it pops. There you go, popped out. See? Now this is all free. This side of the bumper, as you can see, it's free. If you pull on the side now, this is all clipped in. See, there are clips. So this is all clipped in. See? Now you can see those bolts. And on this side, this is on clips too. So basically you can unclip this. There you go, see? It popped out. So we unloosened here and here. And now we need to get the bottom. Now we need to lay on the bottom and undo those screws. Here is a screw and there's a screw that holds the bottom plate on. So this doesn't move. Now there you go. Once you remove them three on the bottom, see? Look at all this space we have here. Look at all this space. Now we can even see underneath. Now we can gain access to this bolt. Here is one bolt. Here is one. See, here. Here is one. There is one. And this one and this one. So let's get 10 mil. Is it a 10 mil? Yep, it's a 10 millimeter. So we're gonna do that. I'm holding the headlight now, by the way. So 1. And 2. And now what's coming is you need to pull outwards. And away. But you cannot remove it fully, because right here are cables that are connected to the car. Basically you need to unplug them first. How? This says, here's the tab. If you click it, sorry I cannot physically show you. Here's the tab and you pull, see, it comes off. Here's the tab, you push down. It comes off, see? Now you can fully remove the headlight. And now let me show you why I'm replacing this headlight. This is the new headlight, that's the old one. Can you see the difference? Obviously no, because they're all the same. The difference is here. See all this? Notice all of this? You know, all this. Do you notice it here? You notice all this glue, all this glue, all this glue, here a glue. If you look at the bottom, even more glue. I do not trust something like this, which has so much glue on top, that it's just dangerous. So we have a replacement headlight and we're gonna put it in and fully test it out before we fully bolt it down. So let's put it in the car. I did not film the assembling because it's exactly the same but in reverse as disassembling. So basically you put the bumper back, slide it back in, check on the other side, do it on the bottom, on the wheel arch, then on the top, and close the bonnet. There you go. You change your headlight. As long as you fully seat the plugs for the lights. As you could see, I even checked them. So it's fully working, it's all nice. And that's how you change the headlight for the 2010 Mazda 6. If you liked the video and this video was helpful, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye! I'm on my way to get some delicious kebab.